they should go for quantity.
It's kind of like increasing your impression click-through rate.
Try combining viral video topics.
Click-through rate is important, and so is average view duration.
YouTube pushes it out, so you could actually be disrupting the process.
Make sure that your video is the one that you'll work.
There's got to be an easier way. First up is awesome thumbnails. Your thumbnail is like the cover of a book. It's the first thing people see, and it makes them decide if they want to watch your video. Make thumbnails that are bright, colorful, and have big, easy-to-read words. Use pictures of faces showing strong emotions, because people connect with those quickly. Your thumbnail should tell a story at a glance and make people curious to click. Also, consider adding some visual elements that hint at the content inside. For instance, if your video is about cooking, include images of delicious food. A well-crafted thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Next, let's talk about super cool titles. Your title should be interesting and make people want to click. Use words that people are searching for. For example, instead of saying tips for growing on YouTube, you could say 10 amazing tips to explode your YouTube channel in 2024. This makes your title more exciting and helps it show up in searches. Make sure your title is clear and concise, yet intriguing enough to spark curiosity. Including numbers, power words, and a promise of value can make your titles even more compelling. Remember, a great title is your first step in getting noticed. Don't forget the power of hooking intros. The first few seconds of your video are super important. You need to grab your viewers' attention right away. Start with a surprising fact, a question, or something exciting. For example, did you know 90% of YouTube channels never reach 10,000 subscribers? Today, I'll show you how to beat those odds. Keep your intros short and interesting, under 15 seconds if possible. Your intro should give a sneak peek of the value you're about to provide and why viewers should stick around. An engaging intro can set the tone for the entire video and keep viewers from clicking away. Consistency is crucial, so let's dive into consistency and scheduling. YouTube loves channels that upload videos regularly. Make a schedule and stick to it, whether it's once a week or 3 times a week. Let your audience know when to expect new videos. Consistency helps build trust and keeps viewers coming back for more. Posting your videos at the same time and day each week helps create a routine for your viewers. Use tools like content calendars to plan your videos in advance. This not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures that you're consistently providing fresh content to your audience. Engaging with your audience is key. Talking with your viewers is super important. Reply to comments, ask questions, and make videos that encourage people to interact. You can also host live Q&A sessions or create polls to get your audience involved. The more you talk with your community, the more they will love your channel and share it with others. Engaging with your audience makes them feel valued and appreciated, turning casual viewers into loyal fans. Consider creating content based on viewer feedback and suggestions. This shows that you're listening and responding to your community. If you're getting value from this video, make sure to like it. Your support helps us create more content like this. Collaborate and network. Collaborating with other creators can be a game changer. Working with other YouTubers in your niche can help you reach a bigger audience. Find creators with a similar or slightly larger number of subscribers and suggest a collaboration. This could be guest appearances, shout-outs, or making videos together. Networking with other creators can also lead to great partnerships and more growth opportunities. Collaboration helps cross-pollinate audiences and introduces your channel to new viewers who might not have found you otherwise. Always check your analytics. Look at your YouTube analytics to see what's working and what's not. Pay attention to watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. Use this information to improve your content. For example, if people stop watching at a certain point in your video, try to make that part more interesting. Analytics can help you keep making your channel better. Regularly reviewing your analytics allows you to understand your audience's preferences and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Use insights from your analytics to experiment with new content types and formats. Use call to action, CTAs, wisely. Don't be shy to ask your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Use CTAs in your videos. For example, after sharing a great tip, say, "If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips." Encourage viewers to share your videos with friends and family. Good CTAs can boost your engagement and subscribers. Place your CTAs strategically throughout your video, at the beginning, middle, and end, to remind viewers to take action. Be clear and direct about what you want your audience to do. Explore different monetization strategies. Don't just rely on ad revenue. Try other ways to make money, like channel memberships, super chat, merchandise, and brand deals. You can also create your own digital products, like online courses or ebooks. This can help you earn more and make your channel stronger. Diversifying your income streams ensures that you're not dependent on one source of revenue, making your channel more financially stable. Look for opportunities to monetize your expertise and content in ways that align with your brand and audience. Step 5, and the most important, is to learn from those who are already making money in the faceless YouTube game. By studying their successes and mistakes, you can save years of trial and error. Many of us faceless creators spent years figuring out how to create great content, learning through both failures and victories. There's a saying, if you want to be a millionaire, hang out with millionaires. The fastest way to success is to follow the path of those already succeeding in the faceless YouTube world. That's where I come in. I've built several successful faceless YouTube channels that generate substantial income, allowing me to live the life of my dreams. I've been able to travel the world and live completely carefree. I make my own schedule, answer to no one, and earn passive income, even while I sleep. Over the last 3 years, I've poured everything I've learned into creating the best faceless YouTube course available. This course has helped countless new creators achieve financial success. Take Abdul, for example. After completing my course, he landed a sponsorship paying $700 for a 5-minute video. It's easier than you think, and I teach you exactly how to do it in my comprehensive faceless YouTube course. I'm so confident in the value of my course that I offer a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied within 30 days, I'll refund your money, no questions asked. Now, let me be serious for a moment. This course is the most complete resource for building a faceless YouTube channel, and for a limited time, it's available at a special price. Don't let a small, refundable investment hold you back from achieving your financial dreams. If you're ready to make serious money with faceless YouTube videos, click the link in the description. I wish you nothing but success and hope you achieve your dreams beyond what you thought possible.